I am Rusul Abdelkarim, interior designer and painter from Basra. I joined many artistic events inside and outside Iraq. I came from an artistic family where my father a musician and my mother a graphic designer. Both of my parents are lecturers in Basra Institute of Fine Arts. This artistic incubated family support me a lot as an artist. Today, I'm going to take you in a journey in an ancient cultural city, Basra, where we will move from the city's architectural identity, Shanashil, to the modern architecture, visit the cultural life of the cities, and finally discover the third CCI Pressing Hub in Basra Science Camp. Shanashil is an analogous name of Basra architecture, which is a design of old city houses based on the Arabic house design, built from brick and wood and colorful glasses. Actually, we are in the Palace of Arts and Culture, which is an old palace of Shanashil design. Nowadays, use a cultural endowment and cultural hub in Basra. Now, due to COVID-19 restriction of public places, I will take you on a virtual journey by YouTube to show you the beautiful stadium of Palm Stem. Nowadays, New Basra city is built based on the sports city with the biggest stadium in the country. Its design is inspired by the national plant palms, the alternative pattern of the Iraqi palm stem, which makes it beautiful and unique and attached to our culture.
The beautiful thing about this weekly cultural carnival is that it is totally held by the Basrawi people, where libraries, bookshop, artists, and cultural enthusiasts come together and practice cultural events and activities for all ages.
It is a maker's space and cultural hub where different types of communities, designers, artists, tech enthusiasts, digital artists, programmers, and of course, makers come together to work on their projects in a very open and free environment, using the available tools and machines, and get supported from that expert technical team for cultural, research, and entrepreneurial purposes. Actually, CCI in Basra is born here in Science Camp.
I hope I shared with you the iconic, but not all, places which can represent the Basrawi cultural scene and the potential of CCI in Basra. I hope you enjoyed this very short journey, and you are very welcome to come and visit Basra to taste the traditional art of food.